Hello everyone, and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook statuses with colourful backgrounds. Open Facebook and click on the Create a Post dialog box at the top of the newsfeed. Click AA. You'll see a row of coloured circles appear below where it usually says Write something here. Now you can pick a coloured background for your post. Write your message. To use a coloured background, keep the message short. If it is too long, it will not post the coloured background. Finally, click Share. Keep in mind that if you add a photo, video or link to your post, you won't be able to add a background. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.